I'm Jeanette Laffan and I'm here with Krystal Johnson from Property Stylists of Melbourne, and we're just talking about ways to best prepare your property when you're putting it on the market. So Krystal, I know when we go and appraise properties, we always highlight to vendors the importance of addressing any maintenance issues on the property. How important do you think that is?
Look, I think that is the number one, to be honest. I think even when you're looking at a potential property to buy, you pick out all of those things that need to be done, and you don't want someone coming through your home and doing that. You want to create that to-do list, and if something's broken, you want to fix it. People want to be able to walk through a home and not have to do anything, and nor should they have to. When it comes to leaky taps, and it's all of those little things, because people are going to try on your taps and they're going to flick on every light. You want to make sure that everything's working and in perfect order, because people walk through looking for reasons not to buy your home, and you don't want to give them any of those.
Yeah. So if you're not wanting to spend money on upgrades, obviously, just make sure that what you have got there is in good condition.
Exactly, that's right. So it's sort of, broken handles and cracks in walls, very important, because, that just, it plants a seed for someone and their mind goes in every which direction, which you do not want. Mm-hmm. So it's addressing those issues so that people don't necessarily see faults within your home.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay.